Hello everybody, welcome back into another how-to tutorial, and today I'm going to show you on how to use ChatGPT Canvas in your powerful tool that lets you edit, brainstorm, and refine content in more attractive ways. And whether you're a writer, content creator, just someone who loves organizing ideas, this tool is for you, so let's dive in. Now, what is ChatGPT Canvas? It's basically just an attachment or a plugin of Canva that you can use the ChatGPT to create designs. So it's pretty cool. You can write, edit documents in real time, organize ideas while structured formatting, collaborative, seamless by refining text with AI assistance. Key features of ChatGPT Canvas. It has live editing and you can modify text, add formatting, get AI suggestion instantly, structured formatting, use headings, bullet points, and numbered lists. AI enhancement, you can rewrite paragraphs, improve grammar, or generate new ideas. Collaboration tools refine drafts with the AI assistance while maintaining control over edits. Export options, you can download your work in various formats like PDF, docx, or just plain text if you want that. And using AI content for improvement, you can just highlight text or rewrite something. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. First, you're just gonna go to ChatGPT. Then you're gonna go to Explore GPT. You're just gonna look up Canva right here. Just gonna look up Canva. Hold up. There we go. Canva. Just pick this number one here. You're gonna start your chat. But yeah, there we go. Let's say like, can you make me a presentation about Filipino culture in a timeline? There we go. Okay, we're just gonna wait if they can do this. Now it's gonna talk to the yeah sure always allow, why not? It's gonna wait for this to do its magic. So that basic case uses for ChatGPT Canvas. You can go blog writing, content planning, or professional editing. So we're just gonna wait for an actual example to present. So here's the presentation of the timeline of the Filipino culture. So here's our canva.com. Okay. I think she's gonna do a simple one because I did ask for a really big thing because I did ask for a timeline presentation. Oh my god, there we go. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, I'm testing this for the first time and with like a big a really big subject, so that's pretty cool. I mean, it tweaks. So we're gonna try and tweak something here. So we're just gonna have a Filipino timeline. You have cultural heritage, cultural timeline, traditional dance, and 76, basic Filipino heritage, and like thank you. So we're just gonna ask some simple things like, can you make a timeline of history of the Philippines? Uh, oh my god, I'm misspelling my country. I'm misspelling my country. Do not watch this. Okay, we're just gonna take a look. Can you make a timeline of history of the Philippines? But start with pre-colonial. So let's do that. Then end to present day. There we go. It's a bit big, so we're gonna wait for a long time. But that's basically how you can use this. So yeah, it's pretty good. Like this is pretty basic, but you're just building like a basis here. You can just change the background, the design, the pictures and stuff like that. Use like non Canva watermark. So you can just change the color here. Let's say, oh, I want it to be red. Wow, that's crazy. Or you just import your own background. That's cool. So plus, it's really good if you have Canva Premium, and you can unlock stuff like this stuff right here, and also ChatGPT Premium if you're into that. So it's taking a bit longer. Never mind. There we go. But it's taking a bit longer. We're gonna view it in a little bit, but best case scenario for this is we just needed to you know make the basis of itself, the base like presentation or like the base document you want to use, and just edit it yourself. This basically just a base. You don't want it to complete it for you, but if you wanted to like change stuff, like it can do that, like add interesting backgrounds, but it's gonna take a long time, like 2 minutes if you're not really. Yeah, sure, open Canva. Okay, we're gonna open the app. No, never mind, I'm just gonna view it here. I'd rather view it here. Untitled design, pre-colonial to present day. That's pretty cool. Let's see if it made it. It's only one page. Okay, that's good enough. Anyways, yeah, guys. So that's how you use Canva on ChatGPT. If you guys like that video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to bring that bell icon. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.